Welcome to our exploration of financial pitfalls, where even minor missteps can have costly consequences. Did you know many people unknowingly fall into financial traps every day? These mistakes, though seemingly small, can significantly hinder wealth accumulation. Today, we'll illuminate these common errors and introduce you to the timeless wisdom of Warren Buffett. His philosophy on wealth isn't just about making money, it's about understanding the value of each dollar spent and invested. We'll uncover spending habits that often hold people back financially. From impulse purchases to overlooked investments, each segment will highlight a specific pitfall and offer Buffett's insights as a guiding light. Reflect on your financial habits and see where you might be falling short. By adopting smarter money strategies, inspired by one of the greatest financial minds, you can pave a path toward genuine wealth. Join us as we explore these pitfalls and discover how Buffett's principles can transform your financial future. Up next, we dive into the world of subscription services and how they might be draining your finances without you realizing it. Subscription services have become a staple for many, often unnoticed in monthly expenses. From streaming platforms to meal kits, these subscriptions can quickly add up, leading to a significant financial drain. It's easy to overlook how much we spend on these services, but the impact on our wallets can be substantial if left unchecked. Warren Buffett, a master of frugality and wealth building, advises us to scrutinize these recurring costs. His suggestion is simple, yet profound. Regularly review your subscriptions and eliminate those that no longer serve you or align with your financial goals. By doing so, you free up funds for more meaningful investments and cultivate a habit of mindful spending. This practice of auditing your expenses is crucial in protecting your financial health and steering clear of common money traps. As we navigate personal finance, let's take Buffett's wisdom to heart and reassess our subscriptions today. Up next, we'll delve into another financial pitfall: the hidden costs of dining out. Dining out has become a norm rather than a treat in today's fast-paced world. It's convenient, but the costs add up quickly. Imagine the savings you could accumulate by cooking at home more often. Warren Buffett, a master of frugality, advocates for this simple yet powerful shift in habits. By preparing meals at home, you gain control over your health and nutrition, and save money that can be redirected towards meaningful financial goals. Each meal cooked at home is a step toward financial freedom. The dollars saved from skipping that extra dinner out could be invested, compounding into a significant sum over time. Buffett's wisdom reminds us that small, consistent changes in spending habits can lead to substantial financial growth. So next time you're tempted by the convenience of dining out, remember the long-term benefits of frugality. As we continue to explore other common spending traps, keep Buffett's insights close and see how they can transform your financial journey. Impulse purchases are a sneaky financial pitfall many of us fall into without realizing it. Picture yourself strolling through a store or scrolling online, suddenly captivated by something you didn't plan to buy. It feels exciting in the moment, but often leads to regret and unnecessary spending. This is impulse buying, a common trap that can derail your financial goals. Emotional triggers push us toward instant gratification, while financial consequences quietly accumulate, denting our savings. But there's a way out. Warren Buffett suggests a simple yet effective strategy. Pause and reflect before you purchase. Ask yourself, is this a need or just a fleeting want? By taking a moment to assess, you can curb impulse buys and make more mindful spending choices. This approach not only saves money, but also aligns your purchasing habits with your true financial priorities. As we continue exploring these financial pitfalls, remember, each small change adds up to significant progress on your wealth-building journey. Next, we'll delve into the credit card conundrum and how to navigate it wisely. Credit cards offer convenience and rewards, but misuse can spiral into high-interest debt. Many young people, unaware of this danger, find themselves trapped, paying more in interest than on their actual purchases. This is where Warren Buffett's wisdom shines. He advises using credit cards not as a crutch, but as a tool, paying off the balance in full each month to avoid interest accumulation. Buffett's approach encourages us to think critically about our spending habits. By harnessing the power of credit wisely, we can sidestep the debt trap and steer our finances toward growth rather than burden. This perspective saves money and fosters financial discipline, a cornerstone of wealth building. So before swiping that card, consider Buffett's insight. Spend thoughtfully and always within your means. Next, we'll explore another common financial misstep, spending on convenience items, and how to navigate it with Buffett's principles in mind. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. From prepackaged meals to expedited shipping, we often pay extra for things that save us time. But have you considered the hidden costs of these conveniences? Warren Buffett, a beacon of financial wisdom, teaches us to look beyond immediate ease and evaluate the true value of our spending. Convenience items might seem harmless, but they can silently erode your budget over time. Those daily coffee runs, express deliveries, and quick fixes add up, resulting in a significant financial drain. Buffett reminds us that while convenience might offer short-term gratification, consistent prioritization of value and necessity builds long-term wealth. So next time you're tempted by convenience, pause and reflect. Choose value over ease and watch your savings grow. Up next, we'll explore the allure of luxury purchases and how they often create an illusion of wealth without real security. In the allure of luxury items, there's a hidden trap, a mirage of wealth masking deeper financial instability. High-end purchases, while outwardly impressive, create an illusion of prosperity without true financial security. Warren Buffett, a beacon of wisdom in wealth management, cautions against such superficial displays. He reminds us that true wealth isn't about what you flaunt, but what you own and grow quietly over time. Imagine driving a car that costs more than your annual savings, or wearing a watch equating to a month's rent. While these may attract admiration, they can also lead to financial strain. Buffett's philosophy is clear: invest in assets that appreciate rather than depreciate. It's not about denying oneself the finer things, but about prioritizing long-term value. As we navigate the complexities of financial growth, remember that wealth isn't in the price tags we wear, but in the stability we build. Next, we'll delve into the missed opportunities when we neglect investments, a key to unlocking lasting financial success. Let's explore how to harness these opportunities for a prosperous future. Ignoring investments is a silent thief in financial growth, a common misstep with long-term consequences. Imagine missing out on the potential for your money to work for you, to grow beyond your initial input. Investing isn't just an option, it's a necessity for building wealth. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our time, underscores the importance of starting early. He advises that staying informed and making calculated decisions are keys to financial success. Consider the opportunities lost when investments are neglected. Every dollar not invested is a dollar that could have multiplied, paving the way for financial security and freedom. Buffett's philosophy is simple yet profound. Make your money earn more money. By embracing investment opportunities, you protect your financial future and empower yourself to achieve goals that once seemed out of reach. As we delve deeper into Buffett's strategies, remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. In our next segment, we explore how Warren Buffett's wealth-building principles can guide you to financial prosperity. Stay tuned. Imagine a world where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality. This is the world Warren Buffett envisions, and he has shared a blueprint to get us there. Buffett's wealth-building strategies are grounded in simplicity and discipline. He emphasizes the importance of living below your means, investing in what you understand, and thinking long-term. His advice is not just for the elite, but is accessible to everyone willing to adopt practical financial habits. Consider the power of compounding, a principle Buffett swears by. Start early, invest consistently, and let your money work for you over time. Avoid the traps of consumerism and focus on value rather than price. By prioritizing needs over wants, you can build a secure financial future. Buffett also teaches us the value of patience and perseverance. It's about making informed decisions and not getting swayed by market noise. These principles might seem simple, but their impact is profound. As we navigate through the noise of financial pitfalls, Buffett's principles offer a beacon of hope and clarity. Embrace these habits today to pave your path to sustainable wealth. Stay tuned as we explore how these principles can empower you to take control of your financial destiny. As we conclude our journey, let's reflect on the financial pitfalls we've uncovered. From the subtle drain of subscriptions to the illusion of wealth through luxury purchases, each trap has a solution rooted in wisdom. Warren Buffett's principles provide us with the tools to navigate these challenges. Remember, it's not just about avoiding mistakes, but about embracing informed decisions that lead to financial empowerment. Now is the time to act. Look at your spending habits with fresh eyes and apply the advice shared today. Whether it's cutting unnecessary expenses or investing in your future, each step brings you closer to financial stability. Self-reflection is key. Ask yourself if your spending aligns with your goals. We encourage you to take the first step towards securing your financial future today. Avoid these common traps and embrace the path of wisdom and prudence. The power is in your hands. Are you ready to transform your financial habits and build a secure tomorrow? Start now and let Buffett's wisdom guide you to a prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial success. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.